Hi, my name is Salman Amir, and in this video I will show you how to create a fast user interface using the Script UI Builder. The Script UI Builder is provided by Jonas Paku. You can use the Script UI Builder as online scriptui.jonas.me or by just downloading the Script UI Builder from the GitHub profile. So you can download it and create the user interfaces. After downloading and open this your Script UI Builder, then you can create adding groups, panels, static text, edit text, buttons, divider checkbox, radio buttons, drop down list, and all the elements you see you can add into the user interface design. And after you finish your design, and then you can export it and then assign the functions or functionality to what should each element do. So hope you understand, and this is a very fast way to build a user interface, and you can also save your user interface in this Script UI Builder by in the snapshot. Like if I load my previous saved user interfaces designs, so here I have these two examples, and if I want to load this and just click this load this snapshot, and it will load this snapshot. And also if I want to get the code export, press the export, and you can copy the code by selecting all the text or just download as the JSX format file. So just download this and it will download it in your local computer. And also this is a very huge time saver Script UI Builder. So the download it and let me know if you find this video useful.